Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin and this is DerinsCorner. If this is your first time here, DerinsCorner is all about showing you how to bake delicious, yummy and nutritious recipe from all around the world. We do this by making use of everyday ingredients that you would find in your pantry, and so this is just gonna be like a straightforward video tutorial on how to cook up a storm in your kitchen. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking this video. You're welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, which is that button you're seeing on your screen, as well as the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm going to be making use of the coconut milk and the coconut water we cracked open last week. And if you've not seen that video and you want to learn how to select a coconut and or as well as break a coconut and extract the milk from the coconut, please click on that link that you're seeing on your screen, which is on the right hand of the screen. So click on that first before you continue to watch this video, because we're going to be making use of that milk that we extracted last week, as well as the coconut water. Usually some other people would make use of store-bought coconut milk, but the taste is so powerful and it gives the coconut rice a very weird taste. And so yeah, I would advise for you to make use of fresh coconut and extract your own milk from the coconut. It's very easy to do. So let's kickstart this recipe and with a list of ingredients. So for my coconut rice, I prefer to use extra virgin coconut oil. But you may decide to use any other oil that is available. But if you want that coconutty taste, try as much as possible to use a coconut oil. It guys, your coconut rice is ready for serving, so why don't you just go ahead and enjoy with your friends and your family. As you can see that this is a very easy recipe and very straightforward. It's a good substitute for your rice dish that you would normally have, just like this jollof rice or the fried rice or your normal white rice. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share as much as you can, and of course leave me a comment also. Bon appetit. Take care. Bye.